So we got all the water drained last night. Mason and I put in the sump pump, and I just removed it a couple hours ago. You can see where the sump pump was, but we got the water out. But I come into here and find a lot of our pipe has actually fallen down, and you can see that pipe right there broke out. And then if you follow the pipeline, you can see where it broke. It burst in several different places. This one's burst right there. This one's broke. It's bad, very bad. And the water was high. So this is a bucket that was sitting here. And that bucket is at about my waist level, and it's completely filled with water. So everything in here was underwater, and broke off and tipped over and all kinds of stuff. Yep. So it's bad. It's worse than I thought. So we'll have to call a plumber and get him out here, but we're going to have all of our plumbing completely redone. Because it's the hot water, it's the cold water, it's the water that runs to the toilets, the water that runs to the faucets. It's bad. So we would appreciate your prayers, as we did not, you can't exactly save up money for something like this. You don't expect it to happen. And we've had plenty of winters prior to this, but for some reason this one just wrecked it. The door also got wrecked. It burst open with the water, and it's not going to work anymore. Won't even shut anymore, which might be part of the problem. Anyway, that's the update.